So Brian, if you're watching this, watch your back.
Dude, you're not gonna scare me, man.
24 hours later.
Oh,
What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we've got the Longtail Rally here for graphic install. Longtail Rally is a new premium supercar rally is what they're calling it. It's like 8 days, very relaxed drive, or rally you could say. Very short driving days, about 4 hours of driving in total each day, give or take. So it's gonna be more of a relaxed based around the social events that the event has, like track days. I have a really cool event at what they call Auto Camp in Yosemite. So they stay in individual Airstream as your like tent, you could say. So very, very cool. But like I said, so today is the graphic install. We have a dinner we're gonna be heading to shortly as well that Daniel will put some photos up shortly. We also, Jason and I are gonna be flying out to Las Vegas to see the ending of the rally where everyone is ending a week from now or so. Other than that, I'll let Daniel get some really cool shots and show you guys around with what we have going on today.
If it looks good, it's because I put it up.
I know you're busy. Just give me a quick little recap. What's going on right now? Why is it so hectic?
We got Longtail Rally, it's a busy Friday, everyone's installing graphics, but then you also have the normal stuff going on today, so chaos.
Wow, busy day.
Very busy.
So Miguel, what are you doing?
Getting in a ride in my dream car.
Your favorite car?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
KT said, hey, this is my dream car. I said, if you want to take it around the block, you can. I mean, I don't mind. He's like, no, I don't want to drive. He's like, but if you could take me for a ride, that'd be cool. So,
Heck yeah.
just out here making kids' dreams come true. That's all
Heck
it's
yeah,
about.
that's what it's about.
Come on, buddy.
On the clock too, look at this guy. Look at that smile!
Hey, Bob, I mean,
What'd you think?
fast.
Fast? Sounded pretty fast.
Hell yeah. Get you from point A to point B. I'm glad you enjoyed it, buddy. Seriously. You're very welcome.
Oh, heck yeah.
I don't know, I was thinking right here. Would that be wrong? On there, so, but at least you can leave it on there for a
It'll be fun for a while.
Our channel is supposed to be PG-13, guys.
my face on
5:02.
everything.
We're done with the cars.
Ryan,
Boss, beer time?
So it's beer o'clock.
Beer o'clock?
Like a beer?
Modelos, ball so hard, I'm ballin' like Mello.
So Daniel is going to show you a quick little montage he made of the Lamborghini Newport Beach launch event for Longtail Rally. So without further ado.
What's up? You guys gonna have some fun?
Ready to roll.
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Absolutely.
How are you, my friend? Papamunyenyo.
Guys,
Welcome back. Wow.
Well,
Jinx.
welcome back from me since I haven't been on this video. We're at the airport. We're gonna be meeting up with the guys at Longtail. Ryan's been out there for the past week, and
We're flying to Las Vegas. It's been a
yeah.
while. We haven't been in over a year, I want to say, at minimum. So we're gonna go meet up with them out there, have some fun, go to the racetrack. We got a couple other miscellaneous things, some dinners planned for us. So we're looking forward to it.
I'm just happy to be off on a Friday.
Oh, right?
We haven't taken a Friday off together.
This feels great.
Probably since I've started 4 years ago. So
Since like Monterey Car Week, it feels like.
Yeah.
But we're looking forward to it. We really want to thank Longtail Rally for allowing us to come visit them or hang out with them for the weekend. Like I said, we got some awesome events planned for us. So
yeah, appreciate you guys watching the channel. You guys know the drill. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll bring on more content. See you guys.